Welcome to this step-by-step video on how to use a multimeter. We will cover the essential functions of this versatile electronic measuring instrument. For beginners, the multimeter has three primary modes: voltage, resistance, and current. Always ensure the correct setup to prevent damage and ensure your safety. The black probe is always plugged into the COM or common port. The red probe plugs into the V-ohms MA port for measuring voltage, resistance, and continuity. Manual range multimeters require you to select a value higher than expected. Auto range meters calculate the correct scale automatically, making them easier for beginners. Voltage, named after Alessandro Volta, is the electrical pressure in a circuit. To measure voltage, select DCV for batteries and electronics, or ACV for wall outlets. DCV is represented by a straight line, and ACV by a wavy line. Voltage is measured in parallel. Touch the probe tips to the positive and negative points. A negative reading simply means your probes are reversed. Electrical resistance, discovered by Georg Ohm, is a material's opposition to current flow. To measure resistance, always power off the circuit first to avoid meter damage. Set the dial to the ohm symbol and touch the probes to both ends of the component. Continuity checks if a circuit is complete. Set the dial to the speaker icon and listen for the beep, which indicates a complete circuit. Electrical current, named after André-Marie Ampère, is the actual flow of electricity. To measure current, set the dial to amps or milliamps. For high current, move the red probe to the 10-amp port. Current is measured in series. Break the circuit and insert the meter into the gap. Never measure directly across a battery, as this will blow the internal fuse. Safety is paramount. Inspect your equipment for damage. Practice the one-hand rule for live high voltage. Beginners should avoid testing dangerous AC wall mains. By understanding the history, following the proper setup, and respecting safety rules, you can measure with confidence and master your multimeter.